Hey guys, this is my what am I saying? 10-foot customized John boat. Just get a drink of Pepsi. For a motor, since they don't allow gas motors in this pond, which is Snow's Pond in case you're wondering, I have a Minn Kota Endura 40-pound thrust. It has 5 speeds forward and 3 speeds backwards. This pushes my boat about, it's pretty fast, probably around 6 miles an hour. But I'm getting a 5 horsepower outboard for Christmas, because there's a few ponds in my town that allow gas motors. And I just have my battery. I normally have 2 batteries, but, well, I don't normally, but I'm gonna. Anyway, I have this 8-foot casting deck. It's not example. It's just a big deck. Oh, my dad said it would make it unstable, but it's not that bad. It's pretty stable. I can stand on the very edge and it doesn't tip over. Anyway, I have a hatch here, just so I keep my baits and tackle and stuff like that in there. Little, things like that, Yeah. And then I have this hatch. And this is like my life jacket, my first aid kit, stuff like that in there. And I have an air horn, stuff that my mom makes me have in my boat. Yeah, it's really nice. I love this boat. I really do. I just like it. This goes pretty fast. This is 5. Doesn't look like very fast, but it actually is. It is pretty fast. But anyway, this is my 10-foot customized John boat. Alright, see you later.